I've seen a lot of people on TikTok rating cats on Petfinder based on their names and associative vibes, and it's always a nice time, it's fun, but I thought, why not step it up a notch? Why don't we determine the cats on Petfinder by their moral alignment? If you aren't familiar with moral alignment, it's basically what's used in D&D to help determine the moral perspective of a character. And today the character will be cats. And here's a picture of the chart just so you know the categories we're working with. And now, cat time. Oh. Up first we have Charmeleon. Oh, excellent vibes. Excellent vibes on this one. Pristine. Oh my god. Oh my god. The stair, the surrounding area, that's a chaotic neutral cat. Oh my god. I can't explain it. This cat is, I can't even see it, but it's really sending a shiver down my spine. Lawful evil. This cat's name? Baby girl. She's young, she's a female, and she's medium. Relatable. Believe it or not, I'm gonna go ahead and call her lawful neutral. Her eyes, upon first glance, were terrifying, but the more I look, the more wisdom they behold. Lawful neutral. Huh. Kitten Rock. Oh no. He looks so afraid. She. Oh, goodness. Neutral good. Oh my god. I don't know what would possess you, but I can't deny, he does look like a Shrek. Chaotic neutral. His name is James Bond. Wow. Neutral good. I really admire him for being so upfront with his strengths. The honesty there, I mean, you have to trust it. If you're an idiot, humble is neutral evil. And you won't convince me otherwise. You know, Visor, I'm sure, is a beautiful cat. However, I can't see her eyes. And that worries me. I'm gonna have to call this one what it is, which is chaotic evil. Ugh, Miss Kitty. She's chaotic good. You know, there is a myth, certainly, that black cats are evil or bad luck or, you know, whatever. And I don't ascribe to those beliefs. However, here, this one is evil. That is not an insult. It's just an observation of her whole vibe. Lil Maggie, more like Lil Lawful Evil. Would anyone care to explain? Nightmare on Elm Street. Chaotic neutral. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Needless to say, the Omen is chaotic evil. Please. Oh my god. Memphis coming in. I'm gonna say true neutral for Memphis. Or Memphis coming in, which is his Christian name. It's always these cats in Florida. Oh my god. I'm going to say This is a chaotic neutral for sure. Miss Buttons? Oh, she's great. I trust her. Neutral good. Honeybee? Excellent. She is the protagonist. True neutral. Mary Berry? I don't even have words for what this cat is doing to me right now. I think she might have dark powers. I have to categorize her as neutral evil. Oh. This little man. Chaotic good. Easily. Oh. Oh my god. So many twists and turns with this one. Elton John. And it's a little lady. Regardless, neutral good. Pumpkin. He's absolutely glorious. Wow. Few cats on this earth are genuinely perfect. But this one, neutral good. And finally, our last challenger for today, Razzle Dazzle. Miss Dazzle has excellent energy, and I do believe that she is chaotic good. These cats, regardless of if they are good or evil in vibe, they are all excellent. And if you find yourself missing some excellence in your life, I hope you'll go down to your shelter, examine the vibes, and take home a friend. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up or comment below. And if you want to see more, feel free to check out my previous video or subscribe.